Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to check plagiarism using Turnitin. But before we start, as usual, on every other week I've been giving out free Turnitin logins and free course zero accounts. So if you have a document and you need it unlocked, kindly send me. You can see I have so many free unlocks here, so you can send me and I'll help you to unlock those particular documents. And if you need a free course zero and a free Turnitin account, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified any other time we post a new free account. So this is my Turnitin account. You can see I have several classes with several spaces available. So I'm going to use the second one, the Kicks Premium Services. So this one has several unused spaces. So this is what I'm going to use to show you how we do check the plagiarism. So this is what I'm going to use. You can see I have several spaces available all the way to, there are very many, all the way to 97. So all these ones are available for use. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose a paper that I've done before. I've done so many papers, so I'm just going to choose one of them. I'm going to work with one of these particular papers. Here you can see there are 413. I just choose one and then check its plagiarism. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the latest space available. Maybe I can work with 13 or just pick a new one, 14. So I'm going to click there, and then after that I will type the title of my assignment. Maybe I can just use simple letters, ERT, and then choose a document from the files that I've done before, from the assignments that I've done before. So I'm going to maybe choose this one by the name Catherine. These are reply posts. So I'm going to open that, and then I'll click upload and then give it a few seconds before having the confirmation button. So it will load for a few seconds, and then I'll have an opportunity now to confirm my assignment. Then after it has been confirmed, this platform will ask me to return to the assignment list, and then I'm gonna click there. After a few seconds it will take me back to my class, and then I'll be able to get a report of the document I have submitted to check the similarity index. And there we go. So I'll choose the last one because that's what I've used. So you can see that the similarity index is 7%. So you can click here to view the document and also have the areas that have been highlighted. So it's very simple to use, and this platform is very reliable, especially for students who are doing their assignments. So it will help you check the similarity index so that you can work on your documents to reduce the similarity index. So you can see that this is the only part that has been highlighted in my document, the Young Mania rating scale. If I scroll downwards, you can see that no other part has been highlighted in this particular document. So if we can download this document and maybe see the classification of our similarity index, or where this particular information has been lifted from. So you just click download button and then you choose the first option, and then you'll be able to have this particular document, and here it is. So I can open this one, and now we can scroll downwards and see this very last page that provides the originality report. So you can see that my document has 7% similarity index, and the source of the information is this particular source that has been shown on this particular area. So it's that simple, and that's how we do it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and kindly remember to subscribe to get notified on our next video on free course zero and free Turnitin accounts. It's a goodbye from me.